Hi, the project I'm doing is random walk in a one dimension. Briefly, I will go over what is a random walk and how is it applied. A random walk is a mathematical object which describes a path that consists of succession of random steps. For example, like how we discussed in class, an electron moving through a wire, or the path traced by a molecule as it travels in a liquid or gas. So this is my program. So firstly I imported the Java random class, which is used to generate stream of pseudo-random numbers. And this is my class, this is my main method, and then this is my random number generator to generate a random number so so it could either go back or forward. So this is basically it generates the direction of the position. So firstly, I first created the one dimension in my main method, and the initial position in the one dimension is 0. So 0 is the initial position. So in order to walk, quote unquote, I use this for loop, which is an iterator, and there is 10 steps that it will iterate up to. I mean 10 positions that it will iterate up to. And so, for example, steps is initially set to 0, so 0 plus random walk. Random walk will generate a random number, right? 1 or 2 because I passed the parameter 2. So if the number is 1, then I will decrease a step, but if a number is 2, then I will increase a step. So 0, because that's my initial position, plus random walk. Let's assume that it generates the number 1, so it returns -1. So 0 plus -1 is -1 at position 0, and then it iterates up to position 9. So uh, it will iterate again. So steps at the previous position plus the number that was generated is equal to the current position. So the previous position was -1 plus random walk. Random walk generates a number. Let's say gives 1 again. So then it will be -1 because it returns -1. So -1 plus -1 is equal to the current position. For position 1 is equal to -2. And I have max and min because just to check the maximum numbers in the positive, how the maximum number of positives that it will go up to without going back, and the minimum is the number of going the minimum number, the least number, which it will go back until it doesn't go forward. So once I run this program, that's funny. So position 0 is 1, so the random number generator gave me 1. Position 1, uh, the random number generator gave me 1. So position 0, let me just clarify. At position 0, the number generator gave me was 2, and then 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and so on and so forth. And so it keeps going back and forth like a coin toss, and then you get this value.